Hi everyone, I'm Eszter Kovács from Drone Talks and I have just arrived to the Commercial UAV in Las Vegas and I'm very excited. This is the first day. The floor is not open yet, but because we have a booth, we could come in, build it, and I would like to share a few secrets what's going on already behind the walls. So the first and most amazing thing, I'm in the leaflet, as an advisory board member. I love seeing my face, so thanks guys for printing it. And the second amazing thing, which I just realized this year, I don't know most of the companies, which is like shocking after 10 years in the industry, I can still see new companies, new drones, which is like, wow, you think you know it all, but you don't. So never underestimate how quickly the industry moves. So a few examples, for example, Harris Ariel, I should admit I never heard about them. It seems like very impressive drone solution. I can see a few details about it regarding the payload and the rest. So tomorrow I'm definitely gonna come over and see. And then other thing, what I have never seen before, if you follow me, I will show you. Look, they're just building everything, so it's super exciting. So yeah. Look, so FloGistix, hi, I never heard about that. Should I stop here and ask you guys? We are Drone Talks and we have a media platform about drones in Europe. We are a European leading media platform. So what do you do at FloGistix? I never seen that drone in my life. So what's that? What's that? Can we come closer?
We just now purchased Commercial, who actually manufactures that. So that's FloGistix. We do methane detection with our drones and our capabilities. At the beginning of this year, we actually purchased Commercial.
The Seeker.
So
Can we go closer?
Yeah, look at all you want.
Wow, amazing. So why is the Seeker is unique? What can it?
It's lightweight. It stays under the 55 pounds.
Stays under 55 pounds.
So we can actually
amazing.
put different payloads on
Yes.
it and do different types of inspections.
Okay, so what's the main target inspection with this model, with the Seeker?
With FloGistix, our main thing is pipeline inspection.
Pipeline inspection?
With laser.
And
yes.
with laser.
Yes.
Okay, who are your biggest clients? Maybe I can ask if it's public.
We deal with every. FloGistix has been around for 20-some years. We're an oil and gas company from beginning. We do vapor recovery. So we deal with every major oil and gas company across the United States. So all your major Chevron, Shells,
all of them,
Chesapeake,
Shell, all of them, you do the inspection.
They're one of our customers already. Yes.
Wow. And how you decided not to do with the Seeker? What was the challenge with the previous solutions? Why is this going to be
This is longer flight time.
Yeah.
We're only getting 35 minutes of flight
35
time.
minutes and this?
Up to 3 hours.
3 hours flight and the battery is?
Yes, there's dual batteries. So if we start putting heavier payloads, we can put smaller batteries. So our flight time goes from 3 hours and starts dropping down.
Amazing,
at that point. Yeah,
amazing. So. I have one more question.
Sure.
What do you see in the last couple of years? How the industry changed? Is it better or worse?
Better.
And better.
For sure. Especially for oil and gas industry. So coming from that, a lot of people here are doing package delivery or just kind of LiDAR scans and everything else. But from an oil and gas industry, it has advanced drastically in the last 2 years.
You know why I love it? Because that's the only industry which makes giant revenue as of today. As I see all the others just still trying their wings, but pipeline and oil makes the money. I love money.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
everybody loves money. So.
Yeah.
So it has made a drastic change. Original inspections for drones that we do, a lot of them did it with handheld application cameras. We get a bird's eye view, better application, safer, faster, and everything else with the drone. So it's 180 the whole industry for us.
So you also fly BVLOS, with the Seeker.
I have not flown this with the Seeker. We're working on different waivers for this.
Yeah.
I have done BVLOS.
You have the waiver for this.
Yes.
You have the waiver.
I'm working on this now.
Yeah.
So
you apply for the waiver with an
yes.
FAA for the Seeker. How difficult is get the waiver in the US now, as of today? Because we are European and we hear the things and we think Europe is easier regulatory wise. But people say it's
for
not.
Me,
okay.
Because I'm out in the middle of nowhere most of the time. I'm not in the middle of a city. I'm not flying over people. The biggest thing I probably hit is farmland. I probably hit a cow.
Exactly.
It's one of those things.
It's like
it's
safety risk is low for your operations.
So for us, I can move a lot quicker.
Cool.
And from us having been an oil and gas company, our safety background we have
exactly.
on that, I can just roll that into our division we have here, and from there it just moves on. So
yeah, how many weeks, months takes to get the waiver? Just average,
the last
you know,
one I
like
did it for 40 miles of pipeline. I had it done from start to finish. The day I started paperwork to the time I got my waiver, I had it within like less than 3 months.
Wow,
but
that's
like
very impressive.
There's nothing out there, so it's a
I
lot
know.
easier.
It's
mainly
easier to go
of
through.
what we're going to do. Yeah.
Do you plan to come to Europe?
No, I don't plan on. Not that I know of anyway. My boss might tell me something different, but at this moment in time, no. But I mean, there's a lot of
industry. Because Shell is in Europe as well, you know. It's a British company, right? British-German company.
So it's one of those things, I think it's going to end up there too, because there has bally talks. We do stuff internationally with our company also, not on the drone side, but on our vapor recovery side. So this has already been on talks in Mexico, Argentina, Nigeria, and stuff like that. So we're trying to see and feel out that whole international. It's a different world, you know.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is awesome. Thank you. So you see, I already see exciting and new things here at the Commercial UAV, which is awesome. So let's look around a little bit. Oh, the drink's gonna come soon. I think they start at 5. I definitely will be there. And I think I want to have a look at another product, maybe Quaternion. Look how exciting they're just building it, actually. They're just building it itself. Ciao Mariah, ciao! Oh, this will be the stage I will be talking on Thursday when we have the woman behind the Drone Revolution panel at I don't know when, but have a look on the program. I will be talking with amazing ladies about diversity, about inclusion, about career paths, and how to hire females in the industry. That's DroneUp booth. I don't see anyone else there to interview, so I'm gonna skip on the DroneUp. Or let's sneak in and have a look on their drones without them influencing us, you know. It's super exciting. Oh, should I take a t-shirt? No, I don't want to do free marketing for DroneUp, you know. But I could take a t-shirt now. So they have the boxes, you know, where they deliver with. And they have the drone. Which drone is this? Tilo, help me out here. Oh, I cannot see. Oh, it's here. Payload, 10 laps, delivery altitude, drone specs, battery. You know, they don't see who is the manufacturer, they don't share it, it's maybe a secret, you know. What else is here? Source drone. I should admit that I'm looking for some friends, you know, some familiar faces. If I don't find them, it's very exciting, more businesses, more opportunities, you know. Oh, Motorola. I used to have a Motorola phone. That was my first phone, actually, you know. Very exciting. They're very active. Oh, I can see their Wingtra drone. Look, the Swiss drone manufacturers. That's a Wingtra, fixed wing Wingtra. Hello. Columbia George community, even communities are represented. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's cool. Let's check out the drone. Astrium. Hi guys.
Hi there.
We are from Drone Talks. It's a European leading drone media video platform. Can we talk about Astrium?
Awesome.
With who? With who? Who should I talk about Astrium?
Our fearless leader over here.
You know, very excited. I never seen Astrium before. I think I saw all, but I didn't. So, like a new drone. Hi.
Sorry, I got garbage in my hand.
No, that's amazing.
Nice to meet you, I'm Ryan.
Hi, Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
CTO, amazing. Actually, we are a C-level show. We normally only talk with C-level people, so I got the CTO.
Oh, yeah.
It's my lucky day.
Yeah. I'm the acting CEO right now. Just
Even
because of
CEO,
managing stuff,
CTO.
so We're a team,
Amazing.
leadership groups. We have 4 of us that do whatever job seems to make sense. So
Startup life, we are very similar.
Yeah.
I'm even my own assistant sometimes.
Is that right? Yeah. Well, I am also the janitor.
Yes,
right? That's the thing, right? When you own a company, you do
Tilo
everything.
behind the camera is our program manager for our biggest, regulatory consultants firm. So they just grabbed him and they're like, "Can you hold the camera, please?" And he was like, "Okay." So what Astrium does and why is this special? It's a fixed wing drone.
Sure, yeah, we do multiple things actually. You can see we've got several offerings.
Yeah.
This one here is a fixed wing, high altitude version, 60 to 65,000 feet. It's got the solar panels that you see on the wings that allow flight times of at least 10.5 hours. We've got more testing to do. We'd like to try and push it to over 24 hours, kind of where you charge it, during the day and then at night it would use the batteries. But it kind of depends on the mission, right? Do you want all batteries, or do you want to actually have some sensors on board, things like that?
So what are your missions? What are the leading missions where you make revenue? I don't want to listen to the ones where, just good to have money. I want to listen to the ones which you really target to make revenue.
For this one specifically, it's meant to put a cell connection or communication systems anywhere in the world kind of thing. So if you want to put up a communications package, it has a bigger brother that's a little bit bigger than it as well. And so kind of either a cellular network or some sort of frequency of design, whatever makes sense in your area. That's its primary mission. But it does have alternate missions of essentially building sensor payload packages that essentially could give you a sensor view of whatever you're looking for. Primarily though, communication systems. And kind of a single look or like a multi-ship look. So the hardware that we put inside is a mesh network kind of solution. So it both has the autopilot and then it can talk to the other drones. And so if you can set up a network,
it's like a connected device, an IoT on the sky. Yeah, we know that. So you fly BVLOS?
Currently we have, we have not with this platform, but some of the folks that we've sold it to have. That would be the case, right? The use case would be to be beyond visual line of sight. For sure. Because up at 60,000, you're not seeing it anyway.
But you manufactured.
It's already. Yes.
This product.
Interesting story. It was originally manufactured, our manufacturing facilities were in the Ukraine,
but
they've actually been destroyed.
I know,
so we have relocated
guys.
Everything to New Jersey, is where it's at right now. And so we're just spinning up again, but we lost it recently, lost that capability. So our partners, and we're partnered with Sunlight Aviation. So Sunlight Aviation, and then we do the flying and the operations, and they are the manufacturer of the platform. So. And then some of these other ones we manufacture. So we do fast fixed wing is some other stuff we do. So try to essentially maybe for research, autonomous systems, swarming, those kinds of things. Try to keep it very simple, 2 elevons, 2 flight control surfaces. The nose is modular.
How many hours flight time you have with this model?
We probably have. This one's just for show because we don't get many orders for a full carbon fiber wing because this will do 130 to 150 knots, and so at those speeds, there's only certain users that like to go that fast with a wing like this. But this design, the Striker 100, we make them in the 100, 200, 300. This is a 300. We make a 500 version, and we also make a VTOL version.
Yeah.
And so we probably have close to 400 or 500 hours in various different use cases.
How many employees you have?
So we
to be able to manufacture multiple type of
and so we don't do large units of anything. So we do one-off. So if you need 5 of them or 10 of them because you're trying to do some sort of thing, that's what we specialize in.
And what's going to happen if Sprite comes here and is operates say, I want to order 100 of those fixed wing?
Right. We'd have to start talking about spinning ourselves up a whole lot more. Yeah.
Because I see in Europe, we are a European company, that's one of the challenges, the manufacturing on demand, and we have now operators who go there and say, look, I want 200 of these by next month. I have a hospital or I have whatever use case who want to use it, pipeline, monitoring or whatever, or a telco, right, with your solution. And what we see, drone manufacturers, as of today, still a little bit of hesitant to serving those, orders.
Well, because it's challenging, because it's a hard industry to be in already, and you know that if you've been around it. Like, well, you get an order here or an order there, but to have a nice, big, consistent order is a challenging thing. So if you set up a
manufacturing, or production.
So we're currently in kind of a one-off solution, or 5 or 10. If you ask me for 5 or 10, it's an easy you need more, 50 or 100, that's going to take me more time.
And how do you forecast, as a CTO, CEO, what do you see about the future? I'm in this industry more than 10 years. I'm keyboarding, and I forecast in the next 5 years, hopefully it's going to turn to be amazing with a magic wand,
I hope
but
so, right?
what
Years
do
ago,
you think?
We've been in it, so I've been in it for 9 years, and it's been challenging. And when we initially started, it was, can I get anybody to pay me to do anything in this industry, right? And so
where is the money?
Yeah, where's the money? Now I think if you can do some sort of multi-system that talk to each other and stuff. So these are our tethered drone kind of solutions. So we use the Blue Vigil tether here, and then these drones all have a tethered capability underneath, so they ride on the tether. And so if you want to have this talk to a team of 5 of those, but you're in a valley, then our solution is take one of our tether drones, run it up to 200 or 300 feet so that you've got connectivity to them, and then they can go a whole lot further. So in our mind, it's kind of being able to have connected systems that can all talk to each other. That's what we're hoping for anyway. That's what we're striving. We'll see how it works out.
We think in Europe, connecting skies is probably the future. Those solutions cannot scale without able to share data and communicate with each other. So that's the way moving forward. Thank you so much for the discussion. It will be on Drone Talks page. Actually, we're gonna tag you guys, and we're gonna just push on all of our channels.
Okay.
So nice to see you. Thank you so much, guys. Good luck. Actually, our booth there on the corner. Yes, you see with the big cameras. Bye. Okay. Bye, guys. So it's very exciting to see a lot of new faces here at the Commercial UAV. I think there are revenue generation opportunities. They are growing. America is definitely ready to get waivers, as I hear, and this is the way currently in America to be able to fight BV loss. And let's see the future. Tomorrow I will share more. We will have a lot of great interviews. So stay tuned and comment and ask if you have a question regarding regulation, ecosystem, or you want to talk, or you want I talk to any C-level executive within the industry.